Hi, I'm Dan Hong and I'm here with my mother, Angie Hong. She's a Vietnamese OG. She had Vietnamese restaurants in Cabramatta.
I'm glad it's your turn to cook for me. Instead of I've been cooking for you all my life.
Okay. I'm gonna cook, or we're about to cook, you're gonna help me cook king prawn egg noodle chow mein with an egg drop sauce. So first thing we're gonna do is I've got this wok. I've got quite a bit of oil in here. It's probably about 100 to 200 mils in this wok.
This noodle, you can get them easily in the Asian grocery store.
And these are made with fresh eggs, flour, and what I've done is I bought the actual ones that are pre-cooked. So you don't need to blanch them before we fry them. They're ready to go, they're ready to fry. I've got my oil, it's quite hot. All right, and then I'm just gonna drop them in slowly, and you can hear them sizzle already. And look, we'll just let it fry on that side for a few minutes until it's nice and golden. In the meantime, I'm just gonna show you what other ingredients we have for the dish, right? So obviously we have some shallots. We've got the white part and the green part. We've got some ginger. I've got 2 cloves of garlic here. I've got some beautiful king prawns.
Wow, huge king prawn.
And then obviously the eggs, and we're gonna use these eggs for our sauce, okay? And then it's gonna be a really simple ginger and shallot egg sauce. So as you can see, we've got some sugar, salt, vegetable stock powder, potato starch to thicken, and then we're just gonna add some sesame oil, some Chinese cooking wine, and then it's that easy. All right, okay, now I can feel that it's quite crispy on the bottom.
Okay, can you just...
All right, so what I'm gonna do, just flip it over.
Wow, that's it.
You can feel how crispy that is. That's how easy. Just gonna put the rest of those crispy noodles in. And there you go. That's your crispy noodles ready to go. And now, next, Mum, can you pass me those prawns? So I'm just gonna season the prawns with a little bit of salt, like so, and then just saute these prawns. I just want to cook them like...
Just sear them.
Sear them, cook them about 50 to 60%, okay?
Wow, like they're still alive and jumping in the wok.
All right, thanks, Mum.
Wow, smells so nice.
All right.
Right, next step,
Now.
ginger.
Okay, Mum, can you cut me the ginger really fine? Yes, slices. Yes.
I just want to show up a little bit. You don't let me.
My mum's got the skills. All right, okay. And then can you cut the white part into batons, please? Yeah, perfect. They go in, chuck them in, Mum. And then the garlic, not too fine, okay? Just really roughly. Yeah, that's it. We just crushed that garlic. All right, saute this off for about 30 seconds.
Smells so nice.
You can
already.
smell it.
Yes, that's so nice.
This is the holy trinity of Chinese cooking: shallots, ginger, and garlic. Okay, we're just sauteing that off for about 30 seconds. Nice and fragrant. In goes chicken stock. And we're just gonna bring that up to the boil. A bit of sugar, some salt, and just a little bit of vegetable stock powder, okay? This will make it a little bit more tasty as well. We're just gonna bring that up to the boil. Now that we're about to thicken it, what I've got is some potato starch to thicken, and then we're just gonna add a little bit of water to that and make a little slurry.
Well, it's important to have it boiling before you add the...
That's right, because that's what activates the potato starch, is the boiling of the sauce, okay? So I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. Make sure you stir while you add the paste. If you don't stir, it might get a little bit clumpy, okay?
And then also you need to have it a little slightly thick, because when you add the egg, it's become a bit more runny.
That's right.
Yeah.
Mum, do you want to crack 2 eggs in a bowl? As you can see, nice and thick the sauce now, and that's what you want, sort of like almost like a gravy consistency, okay? Mum, do you want to add
In a stream.
In a stream, let's go. All right, go.
I'm going.
Okay, go on this side. All right.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, the magic.
And then now I'm going to add the prawns back in. Wow. A few green shallots, please, Mum. Add that in. Beautiful. And then look at that beautiful egg sauce. A little bit of sesame oil. This is just for a little bit of fragrance. A splash of Chinese cooking wine.
That is 10 splashes.
Smell that. Oh. For me, that smells like Chinese cooking. That is. Is it good, Mum?
Yes, beautiful.
Mum, do you want to just pick some coriander for me, please?
Sure.
Beautiful prawns.
You know, the sauce has to be on the more tasty side, isn't it? Because when you eat with the
Yeah,
blend,
so the noodles aren't really seasoned at all. So the sauce has to be super delicious and tasty. Yeah, you're right.
a lot of people think coriander is just for garnishing, but actually it's very nice when you eat it together with, your food.
And that's it. This is the crispy egg noodle chow mein with king prawns and an egg drop sauce. You ready to try this, Mum?
Of course, I am been waiting.
All right, let's dig in.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. It's so good. I feel like that egg just makes it so much more delicious, more silky. It just adds that next layer of complexity to the sauce. For inspiration on how to make your own meal to remember with your loved ones, go to australianeggs.org.au/meal to remember.